Hello everybody, and welcome to the first lecture for the Academia Hargeisa Masaalaha School of Mathematics. I'm Masaalaha and I'm the Chancellor of the first international online and YouTube university in Somaliland, based in Hargeisa's outskirts of Masaalaha, just outside the capital city of Somaliland. And for the first lecture of the AHU School of Mathematics, I will focus on number theory, which summarized as a branch of mathematics, study integers, all numbers, the properties focusing on prime numbers, divisibility, and relationship between numbers like squares and cubes, using follow-up proofs for patterns. Key areas include elementary, number theory, basic methods, analytic, number theory using calculus, algebraic number theory, and its crucial applications in cryptography and coding theory. But before I start my lecture, why don't you follow me on Twitter, on my YouTube channel, click the like button, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and write down the comment below about your plans for your university and your future after being graduated. So enjoy the lecture. Number theory is a branch of pure mathematics devoted primarily to the study of integers and mathematical functions. Number theory is a study prime numbers as well as the properties of mathematical objects constructed from integers, for example rational numbers, or defined as generalizations of the integers, for example algebraic integers. Integers could be considered either themselves or a solution to equations to geometry. Questions remain in number theory cannot be understood through the study of analytical objects such as the Riemann zeta function that encode properties of the integers, primes, or number theoretic object in some fashion. Analytic number theory. One may also study real numbers in relation to rational numbers, as for instance how irrational numbers can be approximated by fractions, the Fontaine approximation. Number theory is one of the oldest branches alongside geometry of mathematics. One quirk in the number theory is that it deals with statements that are simple to understand but are very difficult to solve. Examples these are Fermat-Law's theorem, which is proved 88 years after the formulation, and Gödel's conjecture, which remains unsolved since the 18th century. German mathematician Carl Friedrich Gauss once remarked, "Mathematics is the queen of the science, and number theory is the queen of mathematics." It regarded as the epitome of mathematics, and would know until the 1970s when prime numbers become the basis for the creation of public cryptographic algorithms such as the RSA crypto system.